I'm excited to talk about those Callaways, and of course I have my mom, JoAnn Hunter, back with us, and she will share a home, but first we have to remind people how trustworthy and how much we love those Callaways.
Absolutely, and they can help you whether you're buying or selling a home. But if you're looking for a luxurious home in Mesa, look no further. We've got a great one to tell you about today.
Okay.
This light and bright home has over 5,400 square feet of living area, soaring 10 feet tray ceilings, and tremendous oversized travertine tile. The split floor plan has 4 en-suite bedrooms and 5 updated bathrooms, including the attached guest quarters. You'll be able to create culinary masterpieces in the wonderful kitchen, as well as delight in your environment. Granite counters, maple cabinetry, 2 dishwashers, and plentiful storage all add up to an exceptional place to enjoy cooking, which I obviously would enjoy.
Yes, you much more than me, I know.
I know. Wait until you see the master bedroom and bath. You'll think you're going for a day at the spa. We could spend a whole day in there and enjoy it.
Nice.
The family room is really a wow. First, an incredibly well-appointed wet bar with granite counters and black backsplash, a sink, wine fridge, and ice maker will make your entertaining really easy and fun. Then you have the cozy 3-sided gas fireplace, a floor-to-ceiling built-in entertainment center, and a wall of glass offers an exit to the outdoor amenities and marvelous views. Speaking of which, this spectacular property overlooks a canyon below on 3 sides, mountain views, and unbelievable sunsets, not to mention a heated infinity edge pool.
Okay,
it's just too much, and the price is $1,200,000. Great price. Everybody needs to come see it today.
Yes, they do.
It really is.
All right, well, thanks for joining us again.
You're welcome.